Have you guys ever been in a situation where you decided to start your fitness journey and gave up completely on the first day itself just because you couldn't do some basic fitness exercise? Well then, in today's video, I will be helping all you beginners out there to overcome one such basic fitness exercise. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys what you need to do in order to build strength to do your first ever push-up. So before we get started, let me show you guys what an actual push-up looks like. Now the push-up is one of the most fundamental basic fitness exercises that helps you do other explosive push-ups as well as maintain perfect body shape. Now I will be demonstrating a few simpler progressions that you can do which will eventually help you build the strength to do your first ever push-up. So the first progression is going to be elevated push-ups. So you're going to place your hands shoulder width apart on an elevated surface and start pushing. You can choose the height of the elevated surface based on your strength level. So the lower the elevated surface, the harder it is going to be to do a push-up. And as you build strength, you can slowly work your way down from the elevated surface onto the floor. Okay guys, so start with a minimum of 10 reps, and if you're not feeling fatigued, you can go ahead and do how many ever push-ups you can on the elevated surface. So I'm going to be doing 10 reps now guys. So you place your hands shoulder width apart, keep your feet together, keep your body straight from your legs to your shoulder and start pushing guys. Okay guys, so the second progression is going to be knee push-ups. So I'll be demonstrating the knee push-ups to you guys now. So you basically want to get down onto the floor, onto your knees. Keep your arms shoulder width apart. Okay? And as a beginner, you want to be able to do at least 10 reps from this position. Keep your feet off the ground and start pushing guys. Try to keep your body straight. And try not to touch your feet to the ground guys. Always concentrate on the form. Now the knee push-ups will really increase your pushing strength, and if you're not able to do the knee push-up, you can always go back to the previous progression and work your way back up again. Remember guys, being patient and working hard is always the key. Now the final progression which will help you guys master the push-up with perfect form is going to be actually dividing the exercise itself into 3 different levels of the exercise. We are going to be holding each level of the push-up from fully pushed, midway and fully contracted for 40 seconds each. And if you're just starting, you can hold each level of the push-up for 25 seconds. But I am going to be showing you guys this exercise for each level at 40 seconds. Okay guys, so I'll be demonstrating the first level of the push-up. Let's go. So you want to get onto the floor. Keep your palms shoulder width apart. Keep your legs close together. Keep your body straight from your toes to your shoulder and hold this position guys for 40 seconds. Squeeze your core guys. Don't forget to squeeze your core guys and focus. This exercise is really going to help you build the strength to do a push-up. Because all you're doing is you're doing the push-up itself. Okay guys, in 3, 2 and 1. Great going guys. You're doing it, you're killing it. So let's go to the second level now guys. So the second level is going to be holding it midway. So get onto a push-up position. You want to push halfway down and hold this. Let's go for 40 seconds guys. Okay guys, make sure your form is correct. That's the most important thing. Always focus on form. And squeeze your core guys. your body straight. going to be hard, but push through it, guys. If you can't, you can always stop at 25 seconds. Okay, guys, in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Always push up in the end, guys. After 40 seconds, try to push up once. It'll really help. And great going, guys. Let's get down for the last level of the push-up. We're going to be fully contracted now, guys. Don't give up. You're almost there. Ready? Take it down to a push-up position. And then go almost to the ground, but don't let your body touch the ground, guys. Let's get going. You want to try to hold this for 45 seconds. Sorry, for 40 seconds, but if you can't, you can always stop at 20-25 seconds. Make sure your form is correct, you guys. Don't let your body touch the ground. Come on, almost there, guys. Come on. Okay, guys. You're almost there. Don't give up. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Always push back up, guys. Try to push back up. It might be hard, but try to push back up. Yes. Great going, guys. We're done with all 3 levels. If you were able to do all 3 progressions with perfect form, then you would have surely built enough strength to do 1 push-up. So all that's left to do is go out there and try your first ever push-up, guys. When it comes to push-ups, you guys must always remember that doing 5 push-ups slowly with perfect form will always be more effective than doing 10 push-ups fast with imperfect form. Okay, guys, now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also let me know down in the comment section if you were able to do your first push-up after watching this video. So keep training hard, guys, max it out, and I'll catch you in the next video.